getting everything set right. And did you get the tree branch? Needs a little help practicing roping. Mr. Cochise. And they're going to pull the log out of the gutter. We gotta figure this out. Oh my god, that's hilarious. And here comes the tree branch. Coachy says, you finally know what I was trying to do.